I said I be in my bag, ho. I talk my shit, don't mean to brag, though. And I see why these niggas mad, though. They say I'm an asshole, and I'ma show 'em why I spaz for. And I'ma get these niggas facts, ho. I talk my shit because I gotta, mad because I gotta. I ain't even want it, so I treat it like an option. I just seen a lot of hate, but didn't even bother. Niggas gossiping like women, man. This shit was kinda awkward, man. They capping. This shit ain't a movie, why they acting? Thinking shit was sweet, just like some candy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kid 07. How y'all doing, man? For my new subscribers, it was popping, and for the one that always been this since day one, mad love, man. I appreciate y'all, for real. So today we get into a lowrider bike. One of my customers, a Bratz one. It's for one of his daughters that she wants it, done up, hooked up. So that's what we do. That's what we doing, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm painting a nice red. She wants the seat removed. She wants a black seat. And I'm gonna be taking off most of the rust, and that's what we going from there. How y'all doing out there, guys? God bless y'all. Hope y'all doing good. Keep praying. Remember, always pray, man. Never forget to pray, guys. That's what I always tell y'all, you know what I mean? That's what my life experience I'm gonna share with y'all. You know what I mean? Just pray, man. No matter what situation is, good or bad, man, just keep praying. Always have that relationship with him. Alright, so you see, we got a nice steering wheel. I'm gonna be changing the grips. Changing all that. Getting the rust off. You know how we do. Seat's gonna get changed. Pedals, I might change the pedals, not sure. Alright, so now I took all the parts off, stripped, I took everything out, piece by piece. Now I gotta clean it piece by piece. I got the frame here by itself, which I'm gonna put paint strip on it and strip the whole paint off of it, so y'all see the end results. But yeah, that's what I got done right now. When I do a bike, I'll take everything apart, man. Every little piece, every detail, everything apart, man, and try to remove all the rust that I can. The bearings, re-grease bearings, the whole 9 yards. You know what I mean? So let's get to it. Also, now I got the frame out here. I'm gonna hit it with the paint stripper. Bratz frame. If y'all know, y'all know. Alright, so now I got the sprocket, and you see how it looks. Some rust is easy to get off, and some rust just ate the chrome. Ate the paint. Alright, so this is what I'm using right here. It won't scratch your chrome. It won't scratch. It won't scratch your chrome. Or it won't scratch anything. Or matter of fact, it'll polish it for you. So this is good to take off rust. Minor rust, big rust, I don't know, but minor rust, it'll take it off. So try to get this, guys.
I said I be in my bag, ho. I talk my shit, don't mean to brag, though. And I see why these niggas mad, though. They say I'm an asshole, and I'ma show 'em why I spaz for. And I'ma get these niggas facts, ho. I talk my shit because I gotta.
Alright, guys, what y'all think? What I did in between me spraying down my frame with paint stripper, in between that I was cleaning other parts, taking all the other parts apart and cleaning the rust off of them, shining it up, and just getting ready, you know what I mean, to install, you know, the parts, because I'm trying to do this quick as possible, because, you know, I'm always working, you know, doing something, and right now I got free time. So anytime I got free time, I come in here, you know what I mean, even if it's for like half an hour to an hour, you know what I mean, I come quick, boom, 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 try to knock some shit out, and, you know, come back later. I like to change screws out, because I don't like to see rust screws on, you know, on my lowrider bikes, anything like that. I gotta have fresh screws, and everything gotta be apart, man. I gotta look at all the, you know what I mean, the details, you know what I mean, try to get all the details, try to get the rust out, try to clean it up, shine it up. That's what I'm about, man. Alright, so I got everything. Alright, so now I'm ready to put the first primer on it. Got this covered up, as well as this too. I'm gonna take that out. So I got it primed twice. Now I'm gonna begin sanding.
And I'ma show 'em why I spaz for. And I'ma get these niggas facts, ho.
So I gotta sand it down. I wet sanded it. I had to go out run and get some sandpaper, because what I was using it was good, but it wasn't getting like small areas and round areas and stuff like that. So I use this one right here. Use 400. That's what I'm using now.
I ain't even want it, so I treat it like an option. I just seen a lot of hate, but didn't even bother. Niggas gossiping like women, man. This shit was kinda awkward, man. They capping. This shit ain't a movie, why they acting? Thinking shit was sweet, just like some candy. I know niggas scared when I get cooking.
So right now I'm gonna be sanding it down with a 2,500 grit. You can use anywhere from 800 to 2,500 grit. So I'm gonna be sanding wet, you know, wet sanding it down. You know, the clear coat, and then another clear coat on top. Alright, so I got the frame. This how it's looking. I got that rag in it because I don't want to mess the, you know, the paint up or whatever. You know what I mean, with the rubber part. It should be good, but still though, you know what I mean, better safe than sorry. So yeah, I got that going on. Let me know what y'all think. So now I got this. I'm gonna take this apart. I gotta grease this up. So the first thing I'm gonna put on is the crank. I got the crank all cleaned up. You got the bearings cleaned up. Got time to grease them. You know. So I'm gonna grease them. So I got the crank on. So the same thing with this right here. I'll take that off, grease this up. So now I'm gonna put on the crown, the fork, and all that. I got the screws. You know what I mean, this one's the one I had before, and this is the one that I got Home Depot, about $1. You know, they're a little longer, but it still works. So I had some fenders laying around, right? They're for a trike. So I'm like, you know what? Let me put some new back fenders and do some new front fenders. You feel me? But the thing is, it won't catch on here. You feel me? But we still gotta make it work. You know what I mean? When you do lowrider bikes, man, you try to finesse it. You know what I mean? You try to do what works, and this is what works right now for me. So I got a new chain. I had a new chain laying around, and I'm cutting it This is the chain I had before. Let me see how rusted it is. Okay, I successfully put the chain on. That's what I had it at, but got it in pretty good. Yep. Can't even tell where it's coming from. Nice chrome chain with a nice chrome sprocket crank. Alright guys, so this is how it is looking right now. I couldn't record the process of me doing it because I like to hear music and I was just too into it, you know what I mean, to record. But this is how it looks. I still gotta put on the grips, the pedals, and the seat. That's all. What y'all think, guys? And the chain guard. So the seat just came in. Alright guys, so look, it's already done up, finished up. You know what I mean? Got the new seat. That's what I've been waiting for to finish. Fenders, pedals, chain, a mirror, and some grips, some hand grips. I think I did a pretty good job. What y'all think, man? I mean, it's from one of my homie's daughters. You know, he said nothing too crazy, you know. But I think it came out pretty good. I mean, all he wanted something simple, you know what I mean, for his daughter. So, that's what I did. Got it with dice, and revolt cap. Got it with an 8-ball. So this was the process, guys. I mean, it took about what, 2 weeks on and off. You know what I mean, with my, you know, me going to work, me taking care of my kids. You know, I had to every time I got time, you know what I mean, I put in time into it. You know what I mean, but so it's done now. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I thank y'all, man. You know what I mean, I love to do stuff like this. You know what I mean, this is what I do. I mean, like, I have fun with, you know what I mean, doing this. You know, so I just want to tell y'all and thank y'all. You know, God bless y'all. You know, take care. Keep your head up always and keep building, man. Keep living and keep riding, you know what I mean? God bless y'all, man. Thank y'all a lot. 100. I appreciate y'all. God bless, man. Till the next video. See y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video with showing her the bike. I'm gonna actually ride the bike to her right now. So we'll see her reaction on it, man. Hope she likes it. I'm almost there. About to reach my destination. That's her right there.